Sri Amma Bhagwan's teaching for the day is make friendship with the mind because you can neither change it nor get rid of it or run away from it. By the power of Sri Amma Bhagwan, thousands of seekers are experiencing a shift in the way they are experiencing life. Today, Bhavya Natarajan from California will share her experience with us.
Namaste, Amma Bhagwan Sharanam. My name is Bhavya Natarajan. Firstly, I want to qualify by saying it is almost impossible to tell everything about my state and my journey in such a short time. I could write books about it. I feel the most significant happening in my life is the pure grace of my Lord Shri Bhagwan entering my life. Love flowing through him, his teachings, his grace have deeply penetrated into my heart and have brought a significant transformation in my consciousness. Words and emotions are too limited to express my gratitude to him. Every moment of joy that I experience now in my life is because of my Divine Father, Shri Bhagwan. I love you so much, Appa. Thank you. I feel that there is just oneness, there's just presence, there's just silence everywhere. I experience me as being present in everywhere and in everything. I clearly know that there is no person. There are thoughts, sensations, feelings, presence, but no person. Language is too limited to express the experience. Silence is a much better expression of the experience. I feel that there is just the presence. There is no I who is feeling. There's just the knowing or the presence or the awareness or consciousness or silence or whatever one could call this. In this state, there is a deep peace and a sense of joy, a feeling that everything is perfect and no mental moments. By force of habit, I see that I'm behaving as if I really exist as a person and I become aware, and when I become aware, I have a big laugh. I for a fact know that there is no person. I don't exist. I know it could sound really funny if there's no backing insight or experience, but it is truly liberating to function as a person knowing that I don't exist. Honestly, it's very joyous and deeply liberating. I see that I have this ability to just become aware of this presence, aware that I am this presence anywhere, anytime, and for however long. When I experience this presence and I come back to perceiving other things, I feel so nourished, so complete, and so fulfilled. I'm living life very intensely when I'm in this state. In one sense, I can say that this experience is becoming deeper by the day. What really is happening is, as I spend more time as presence, frequently and for extended periods of time, a lot of unlearning is happening. As Lord says, all learning is unlearning. Day by day deepening means more and more unlearning and aligning all aspects of my life with this new reality. Not that I didn't exist all this while. I know I have always been this presence. But just being this true me, being this presence, the true self, and just witnessing life automatically breaks the habit of behaving or reacting, believing that I'm a person. Going somewhere in life, doing something in life to get somewhere, becoming like somebody in life, all these mental moments are no longer making sense. Being in this moment is absolutely fulfilling and complete. Being myself has been the most liberating experience I have ever felt. Life does feel like a celebration. It definitely doesn't feel like a mental high that we feel, that we experience after winning or achieving something. It feels more like a cool breeze, like a hug from life itself. Very gentle, overwhelming, humbling, and beautiful. I want to share a few bits about my journey, but I will share it next week. Thank you. Namaste.